Yeah, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do. Right? So, One King, new channel. Onekingfilms. It's going to be a channel that's going to give you uncut. Most uncut show is going to come on it. And anything I do with vlogging, anything I do with behind the scene, and them something that keep you up to date. You know what I mean? Is what is going on. Because the mission have go forward. You know what I mean? So One Onekingfilms. You know what I mean? So subscribe. You know what I mean? Do the right thing. Because we are come forward with some new show. This channel differently. The channel will go do a tour across the island mostly. Yeah, so Onekingfilms is the channel that will go out there. You know what I mean? And capture things and make you see it. Some things you never see it, we'll try to bring it home. You know what I mean? If it makes sense, subscribe and leave a comment. You know what I mean? And tell me what island you want to see. And you know, just do the right thing. We're going to take it to the world. One King.
Yeah. Blessed good morning. We are here live in the studio. You know, it's Onekingfilms. We're going to drop in uncuts. We're going to drop in behind the scene. We're going to drop in vlogging. We're going to drop in, you know, we're going to do some challenge around the world.
And we're going to do interviews. So let's take it to the world.
Right.
That good. Look forward.
So, yeah, so get up, get ready, because we are come to our neighborhood. We're going to give away some gift, do some challenge, and, you know, kids, our phone time now.
Yes, come. Yes, come to the swimming bridge. Oh, but when you cross the bridge, you end up back on another road.
Yeah, people, so, you know, we're there in Portland.
Yes.
Yeah, so, Portland, we're there in Portland. Comfort Castle. You know, all who live here, so. Barrick.
Yes.
I call you used to, but you first one.
The foundation, I think. You keep the foundation right now strong.
Me and Swing Bridge and I here.
Somebody has gone first. Well, now, sure can't walk on here. What's the man?
One.
Walk on it.
One up.
No, one more. We have another cup on it.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it on the ground. Tap.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Yeah, like, share, and leave a comment, you know what I mean? Do subscribe. Subscribe to this channel because it makes sense, you know what I mean? We are going forward. It's a new channel, you know what I mean? Let's go.